Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see who favorite your TikTok videos. So first of all, we will go into the TikTok mobile application, and here it will open it up. And let me just pause this video. So basically, on the right side below down here on the sidebar, you can see there are four options. The first one is a like, okay, and the second one is a comment, and third one is a bookmark, and fourth one is a share. So third one is basically whoever bookmark this, or whoever click over this, it will select it as a favorite. So whenever I click on that, it will send a notification to this user to who uploaded this video that I favorite his video. Okay, so you basically, I don't have a video who have favorite my video, so I will show you that how it is going to show in your inbox. So basically, for example, if somebody favorite this video for me and they will click on this one, okay, and it will turn into yellow. Okay, so TikTok will send me a notification in my inbox page, and here it will say is that this specific user or person has video to my favorites, added your videos to favorite, right? So basically it will directly send a notification in your inbox, so it is not that tough. You can say it exactly, and it's very easy to use. Okay, so this is it guys. This is how you can see that who favorite your TikTok video. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you like this video, then do subscribe our channel, comment, don't forget to comment below, and don't forget to press the bell icon, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.